Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill the ESIC Affidavit form. Begin by understanding that this form is a sworn statement, crucial for availing benefits from the employee's state insurance corporation. It confirms important details about your employment and personal status. Taking a moment to grasp each section's requirement will greatly simplify the entire process, ensuring a smooth submission for you. Before you begin filling out the form, ensure you have all the necessary documents within reach. You will need a valid government-issued identification proof, such as an Aadhaar card, along with your current address proof. Additionally, keep at least 2 recent passport-sized photographs ready. Having your ESIC patron card or number and any relevant employment records will make the process much more efficient and straightforward for you. The first section requires your personal details. Ensure they match your identification perfectly. Write your full name, father's name, and complete current address, including the 6-digit PIN code. Your date of birth must correspond exactly with your official documents. Providing an accurate contact number and email address is vital for any future communication regarding your application, so please double-check these details carefully before proceeding. This section asks for your employment and income specifics. Clearly write your employer's full name and business address, along with your official designation. You must provide your ESIC insurance number, which is a unique 12-digit identifier. Detail the exact duration of your employment with the organization. Finally, accurately state your average monthly wage, as this figure is crucial for calculating your eligibility for various ESIC benefits, requiring precise information from you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.